How to fix screen overlay detected in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the settings of your device and then all you have to do is scroll down to find the option of additional settings. Then scroll down until the very end and tap on developer options. Now as you tap on developer options, scroll down a bit. Keep scrolling and here you can see the option of allow screen overlays on settings. So right now you can see it's toggled on. Now make sure to toggle off this option and your problem will be fixed. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.